Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using a theme pack from Kozmik Nails, and this theme pack is for the month of December, and it is called I Want to Be a Cowgirl, and I think it's super fun. This is some of the extra goodies in the bag. You get a cactus pen, which I think is adorable, and then these really fun hair ties, and I really like how it's tied to the theme. The dip powders here are in this little bag for the video purpose only. If you do get the kit, you do get 0.25 ounce jars, and then here are some of the decals. You can either get this kit with everything you see here with all the decals included and the dip, or you can get the dip and then one decal, whatever decal you want. It's very customizable. There's mini packs and then there's regular theme packs. So I will link everything in the description box below for these awesome theme packs, and these are really fun decals. I just love how it's very country western and it's the perfect theme. You can still get last month's theme pack. It was a sunflower theme, and then for October it was a true crime theme, so super fun. And I really like how the directions on the decals are always on the back. And then the theme pack came in this really fun bag. So like I said, the dips are going to be in jars. So this is Elsie. It's a beautiful, it's like country western. It's reminding me of like gravel, and it's so pretty. It has browns, coppers, beautiful golds. It's super stunning. All right, and the next color here, it's called Giddy Up, and it's a beautiful teal, and it has like these brown chips in there. It's super unique dip powder, and I really like how the teal is very buildable. First dip, it's sheer, and then you can build it up. It's super pretty, and I think that both these colors combined are the perfect country western mani, and I'm super excited to create a mani with this theme pack. There's so many combinations you can do with this theme pack with all the different nail wraps, decals, and vinyl stickers. Options are endless. I definitely am going to create more manis with this pack because I think it's super fun. And for today's mani, we are going to be doing press-ons, and we're going to be doing the gel method, and I really am excited to dip into these phenomenal colors. So the first one here, it is that beautiful teal called Giddy Up, and you can see here it's more of a jelly type of look with that one dip, and I really like how those brown copper accents are in this. It's just super pretty. And all around, again, I'm going to say it's giving me those country girl vibes, and I'm all here for it. All right, so let's get into this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. we're just wrapping up this mani here, and how fun is this mani? I think it's perfect. I just love the color schemes and I love the decals. It just completely tied this whole mani together. So I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's mani in the description box below, including everything you need to create your own press-on mani at home. Super simple, super easy, and definitely check out Kozmik Nails. There's other theme packs as well if this one is not your cup of tea, and I'll see you in the next upload. Bye!